a love between Canada and Bujumbura, building a legacy between two worlds. As the years passed, Daniel and Aline continued building the life they had dreamed about. Their home in Canada became a place where two cultures came together, a place where Burundian traditions and Canadian experiences lived side by side. Their children grew up hearing stories about Burundi. Daniel often told them about the hills of his parents' homeland, the kindness of the people, the beauty of Lake Tanganyika, and the importance of respecting family. Aline taught them Kirundi words, traditional songs, and the values she had learned from her parents in Bujumbura. "Never forget where your story began," Aline would tell them. "You have roots in Burundi and wings to explore the world." The children enjoyed discovering both sides of their identity. At home, they celebrated Burundian traditions, enjoyed family gatherings, and learned the importance of hospitality. At school, they embraced Canadian life, made friends from many backgrounds, and appreciated the opportunities around them. Every year, Daniel and Aline tried to keep their connection with Burundi strong. They planned family visits to Bujumbura so their children could meet relatives and experience the country their parents loved. When they returned to Burundi for the first time as a family, it was an emotional moment. Aline family welcomed them with music, hugs, and celebrations. The children were amazed to see the streets of Bujumbura, the beauty of Lake Tanganyika, and the warmth of their extended family. Daniel watched his children running around with their cousins and smiled. He realized that the journey that began with a simple conversation had created a bridge connecting two generations and two nations.